A hydroponic system that I set up as a test. We got tomato plants from Home Depot, because this is kind of like a little test setup. And what I'm doing is, from the pond, I got a little pump, DC pump, that's powered by some Harbor Freight solar panels. And so whenever there's light or even dim light, there'll be water flowing through here. So water flows in the top and then comes out the side and drains out. And there's my little DC. And this is just a little pond at the back of the property, little DC pump, which comes up. I got a little waterproof box. I got a boost buck converter in there that keeps the voltage at a steady 12 volts. And then the water comes up and into the system. And been testing it for 24 hours, and so far it works really good. So I just got the plants in.